Good afternoon, Farmer Joe. 3 videos I made today. I'm just going to pile them all into one. I'm going to put them up here. You know what I mean? I'm making videos out every day of the week. And I'm sharing now. I'm getting Farmer Joe out there. And I want to reach as far as I can. Because there's something nice coming behind me. Listen, Farmer Joe in Dublin, I'll take care. All have a nice day. Bye bye now. Good afternoon, Farmer Joe here. Just another Indian dish I've done here. I just done an Indian style brown rice. I done sweet potato fries. The last of the sweet potatoes, I want to get rid of them. Just done them all there. And I had a couple of that onion bhaji mix there. I did them there as well. So that's my meal today. It's a lot of carbohydrate. That's what the way Farmer Joe's eating today now. All have a nice day, Farmer Joe in Dublin. It's still all single one ingredient food. It's carbohydrate there. But I'm just finishing off a test on myself. Doing it the last week or so. Some of these videos are behind, but look, I'm just testing myself, my own metabolism. So there you go, Farmer Joe, take care, bye bye now. Good afternoon, Farmer Joe here. My lifestyle changed for me, single one ingredient food, calisthenics exercises in the morning and the evening, no breakfast, don't eat before 12, don't eat after 6, walk out in nature. You feel absolutely unbelievable. Now the lifestyle change is at a hand's touch for everybody. It's the choice of food you make. Get yourself moving, get yourself out to nature. That's Farmer Joe's 3-in-1. Listen, all have a nice weekend. Take care, bye bye. Wishes all the very best of luck. Bye bye now. Good morning, Farmer Joe here, just up out of bed. Let's get myself freed up today. You know, I just move the body, you know. When you get up first thing in the morning, most people will reach for a cup of coffee or a breakfast, you know. Farmer Joe eats calisthenics. This is what I do, you know, to be honest with you. You just move yourself, you know, no matter what way, just get the blood moving in the body, you know. It's very easy to do. This is all calisthenic exercises, you know. Keep your balance, keep your coordination as you go into the later years, even the younger years. Most people don't do any form of exercise. Now you don't have to do an awful lot. These are just calisthenic exercises, you know. Just keeping the body moving at all times. For your hips. And a great one for balance is balancing on one leg. Kicking out to the front, kicking out to the side, and kicking out to the back. You know, up again, kicking out to the front, kicking out to the side, kicking out to the back. You know, side and back, just for balance. That's the way I walk, you know. To be honest with you, just get yourself moving at all times. Few squats in between. And even swing your arms with the squats behind you. That's a little 2-minute workout for balance. Kicking your legs. Moving your body whatever way you have to. That's my little workout, just to get the body moving. Farmer, a few press ups. Farmer Joe.